Here is, where's the light? Okay, so welcome to my new apartment.
Uh-oh, the game in trouble. Started out small, now they paying me double. Yeah, you can drip check, baby, like mustard. Yeah.
The keys, and here's the tour. So, actually, okay, first, a lot of you are probably wondering, like, why am I moving? The reason why I'm moving is because of COVID. The rent in DC has plummeted. So before, when I was living in the studio, this apartment is literally $10 cheaper than what I was paying in the studio. So it just made sense for me to move. More blessings to come in 2021. So when you first walk in, we have this closet. This is just gonna be my coat closet. You know, get on in there, Mom. Just, you know, it's lots of storage. It goes all the way down there. So this is when you first walk in the coat closet. Next, we have this area. I think I'm gonna put my desk here. I'm not sure, but I'm thinking, I don't wanna face the wall. I want it to face here, but I don't know, we'll figure it out. Comment below what I should do. So I guess next we're going to the kitchen. So this is my new kitchen. This is just such an upgrade from my old apartment. If y'all already know, so yeah, nothing in here yet, but here's the kitchen, the fridge, and then show the fridge.
I did.
And then, you know, dishwasher. This oven is already way bigger. Microwave, honestly, I'm not a cook. I'm not the best in the kitchen, so I'll probably mainly be using this microwave here. So when you leave the kitchen, we have this area, which is gonna be my living room. So I'm gonna get a couch over here, my TV right here. Okay, it's gonna be great. And I just love this natural light in here. It's great. Space. Here I might put
Your TV.
no, my TV's gonna go right here because my couch will be right here. So this will probably just be like a kitchen table maybe. Okay. Next, we'll go to the bathroom. Well, I guess here, so this is like, at first I thought this was a shelf, but this is actually a closet. So this will probably be like my linen closet and maybe my hair stuff. So yeah, get the closet. Okay, next we have the bathroom. It's kind of tight in here, but it's bigger than my old one. This is my bathroom. There's the bathroom. Wow. Shower, you know, just your regular bathroom. It's really never been used yet. Oh, and of course there's storage under there. Next, let's start in here. So next is the bedroom. Finally, a freaking bedroom. I'm gonna have my TV. I was thinking which way should my TV face? This way?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, TV. So I'm gonna have the TV right here on the wall, mounted. Then here will be the bed. And then I also might get another like desk here, just, you know, 2 desks, why not? And then let's get into this closet. Walk-in closet. Lots of closet space. We love the storage. So yeah, and it came with all this stuff already, which is gonna be great because I really don't have that many clothes, but you know, it's nice that it already exists. But yeah, so we'll just come back out to this room. But yeah, so that's my new apartment. Stay tuned for the furnished version. If you haven't already, go watch my studio furnished apartment tour. And I'm just super excited to be getting out of that box. Finally into a better apartment.
New year already doing good.
New year has been going well. 2021 has been going well. More blessings. Thank you, Jesus. I feel so blessed. But anyways, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.
Uh-oh, the game in trouble. Started out small, now they paying me double. Yeah, you can drip check, baby, like mustard. Yeah.